My name's Adele. I'm a graduate project manager and I work for a company called Fateful & Gould. Fateful & Gould is a construction consultancy firm and we offer a range of different services within the industry. A project manager has to have involvement in lots of different areas of a construction project, and it's often a fast-paced environment. It's quite a reactive role and you have to be able to juggle multiple workloads. I got into my role as graduate project manager following a master's degree in construction. I wanted a role where I could learn while I was working and that would offer me a route to progress and achieve more qualifications. There are three core elements of any construction project, and that is the time it takes to deliver the project, the cost of the project, and the quality that's delivered. And as a project manager, you have to balance all three of those, which can involve meeting with different teams of people. The skills I've developed in this job role are to understand a project from different perspectives and different angles. Having experienced a project from beginning to end, you then have that understanding and you can be prepared for what's going to come next. I have a particular interest in building information modelling, and this looks at the design and delivery of a project using a 3D model rather than 2D traditional floor plans. The 3D model is generated in a computer software environment and it's really altering the way that the industry works. And I'm particularly proud because the company noted that I had enthusiasm in this area and offered for me to be part of a BIM, Building Information Modelling, working group, which looks at how my company is going to facilitate using BIM and offering our services in BIM. In 10 years' time, I hope to be perhaps a senior project manager. To do that, I need to achieve certain qualifications, and one of those is to become chartered, and that's what I'm working towards at the moment. It's the next qualification after completing a degree and starting in the industry that I want to achieve. I also hope to be working on a range of different projects, some of them larger, perhaps interesting projects to do with older buildings, adding more strings to my bow. I really recommend joining the construction industry. It's a really fast-paced environment with lots of different job roles. I would recommend getting as much experience as possible because although I've got qualifications, I learnt the most by doing the job role. And I think always taking opportunities if they're offered for different experiences, always saying yes is really important. And I think the industry is really responsive to that kind of attitude.